Hello, and welcome back. In a previous video, you learned how to manually export a view. But of course, in most cases, you'll want it to all be done automatically. Thankfully, SM2 lets you set up those exports yourself without the need to contact the vendor. So without further ado, let's get started. Automatic exports are configured in two places, the SM2 software itself and a separate application called the Import-Export agent. If you don't have the agent app, you can get it by contacting Coencorp tech support. You will need it to set up your automated export. The first step is to create the export agent in SM2. Go to the System tab and click Export Agent in the blue navigation submenu. Clicking the plus sign right next to it starts the agent creation process. General info includes a password, as well as a code which will serve as the name for the agent. Make note of them, as you'll need to provide those credentials in the Import-Export agent app. The Export Groups configuration section on the right-hand side of the screen allows you to decide whether or not you want all data of certain categories with each export or only new records since the previous export. Checking a box for an entity exports only new data since the previous export. When you are done, click Save to create the export agent. Now, let's go to the view with the data we want to export. To assign an export schedule to the view, click the Web Services icon in the Views menu. In the Export Silence tab, you will see a list of available agents. Select the desired one and hit the right arrow to move it to the list of assigned agents on the right. Next, you'll want to select the agent from the list on the right to configure the schedule. Note that you can have multiple schedules for each agent. To add a schedule, click the plus button in the top left corner of the Schedules table. Determine the time or times of the day you'd like the view to be exported. For the month, start typing the name and select from a list of suggested values. You can have one or several months selected. For days, you can either choose different days of the week or date values ranging from 1 to 31. When you hit Save, the SM2 portion of the process is done. To complete the setup, you must add the export agent to the Import-Export agent app. After launching it, you will see it in your Windows taskbar somewhere near the time and date on the right-hand side. Right-click the icon and click on View Status. To add the agent you created in SM2, hit the plus sign and start filling the info in the Agent's Configuration tab. For the name and password, use the code and password you assigned to the agent when you created it. The URL will be the specific web address for your SM2 software. Finally, the output directory will be the path to the folder where you want the export file to go. When done, click Save Agent to add it to the list of agents on the left-hand side. To verify the status of the automated export, go to the Export Status tab and click Refresh Agents. Your newly created export should appear in the list of enabled exports. Automated exports are made to be configured once and then provide the files you need when you need them. We have just shown you how to do that, but if you have questions or are experiencing issues, please contact Coencorp tech support. We'll be happy to help. But if a third-party application needs that data, SM2 lets users create web services to link the two systems. Those will of course be covered in another video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.